Jala Megalaya Glala Ban Pendep Kumba Prapusan Nakispa Agajingsa Miki enumeration form Hapoga special intensive revision Ban Penjanai Katup Kertenginong vote. Hadu kakat sautrik unaitung arajar arpun reu lasam yagini form Shaki kat kendailak kendai pui hajar praspa prapulaigut kinong vote nagi arpulailak sap kendai hajar nreuspa saupusan ngut kinong vote bladap register. Bat kumba sanlak nrup sawajar nreus pa shpokligi form ladap ban pendap neng baga digital bat ban upload pala kadon kejing jangka internet hagane ke porliur hagane ke kam ke West Jante Hills kalong ke bah kemat kejing sam gi form kad ba ke East Jante Hills pada kalong ke bah kemat kejing tap kerteng kabale digital ban penslur kejing snok tilang jangki pat ba ni kishnong gitau ke office chief electoral officer kala penlong kejing pusto pat ba bat kejing trailang bat ki MLA Hasilong Hakabedai bagarukom tray kampat kesencar kadar kelap penjari ki kendon ki baperking ban pensisha bagi booth level officer ke deman sami ki form da kabelit bet chaman lagi tliu yeng janginong tak vote bat omchem lasha ban sam nak yeng neki jaka ki bomdai kini ke jepengkan mau kelami hadian bangladan ke jingkeno bo we BLO la sami ki form nak yeng we MLA barem ha West Shillong constituency Kepala penlong yang district election officer jangka East 𝗙𝗵𝗄 Hills ban hukum ban chimbiang ki form bat ban betha ki supervisor ban pentikna ya kerukom sam form kebadai nalor kani ki form ki bala pendap la IT batch ki BLO ban yo ya kereset kat bagi nong shnong ki besong sapar ke jelapat kila ban pendap online leng ba ke portal jangki election commission kinong tap vote ki badan kam ban pensisha ki record kila ban page ya ke baseline registration roll jang senam arajar san negi website ni ada kepapenan kami ki kot kisla jang ki kimi ki pa negi bahayeng naga mapping jang senam arajar san
to have more awareness among the electors and encouraging eligible citizens to actively participate in this revision process. To ensure effective monitoring and timely implementation of SIR, we are conducting weekly VCs with the district election officers, EROs and AEROs, and during these reviews, different aspect of the SIR is already being briefed, and we try to address different issues coming across, and the officers who are like the supervisor, AERO, they are closely monitoring the work of BLOs and to promptly resolve the issues at the field level to ensure all the activities are carried out smoothly and completed strictly within the timeline prescribed by the Election Commission of India. So, we appreciate the tireless effort of the district election officers, electoral registration officers, AEROs, supervisors, and booth level officers, especially who are doing the house to house visit and helping the elector to get this enumeration part filled properly and collect and digitize for their dedicated effort toward the successful implementation of SIR in the state. So, electors who are not yet received or submitted their enumeration form are requested to cooperate with the booth level officer during their house-to-house visits and complete the process at the earliest. Electors may also contact their respective BLOs for any assistance regarding the special intensive revision, and they can book a call with BLO, and BLO is supposed to address all those queries, issues within stipulated time frame. So, CO office is once again appeal all eligible electors to actively participate in the special intensive revision 2026 and ensure that every eligible citizen is included in the electoral roll and strengthening the democratic process and upholding the principle of inclusion and participative elections. So, once the pre-printed enumeration form already been distributed. So we, through the BLOs, we request at least all the electors who received the enumeration form, they should fill the respective information in the prescribed columns and submit to the BLO. And there are the two form has been given to each and every elector, so they are supposed to take the receiving copy from the BLO. And BLO is supposed to digitize all those forms and then up through the BLO app. So this is one process where we request the support from all the sections, and lot of awareness, more awareness on the different aspect is required. So our officers in the field are there just to address all those issues. One common query is coming from the different sections, like if person is not present during that time of visit at their place of stay or staying outside of the state, like the student, patients who are going out of the state for the treatment or for the employment purpose, how they can come and fill their form, or they are supposed to come and do physically filling that and sign and give the physical form only. So that is not mandatory. They can fill the form online. So anybody, online form filling facility is available for all electors of the state, and they can fill the form. So they should download the 𝗍𝑠𝗍 net app, or they can log in through the portal and fill the form online. In respect to getting the details of the relatives in the previous SIR, which in the state it was as on 1/1/2005. So this electoral roll of 2005 is available on the district website and CO's website also. They can download, and or they can access through the 𝗍𝑠𝗍 net or the portal to get the details of relatives, and they can fill this form properly. And as well as BLO has access to all the details, so BLOs are helping the elector to fill the form properly. So with the right information, the field enumeration form to be collected timely by the BLOs. So all needful effort are being ensured to get this process done correctly. So entire machinery is on the job at the ground.